going to be showing you guys how to remove, replace, and upgrade your Porsche key fob covers. As you can see here, this one's damaged on both sides from normal wear and tear throughout the years. Tools required is going to be a fine, thin, flathead screwdriver or your nails, depending on how they are. We're going to go ahead and start by coming in on the top through the middle, creating a little bit of separation and simply snapping it off. We're going to go ahead and do that on both sides. Now that we have both sides of the fob off, we're going to go ahead and go towards the back to the keyring and create some separation using that small indentation in the back to go ahead and remove that center cap. We're going to go ahead and go down towards the front of the key, creating a little bit of separation, and towards the middle we're going to squeeze in to get it off. This is a great moment to go ahead and clean any dirt or excess dust or anything that might be on our key fob. Now we're ready to go ahead and install our new key fob caps. You can find this anywhere from eBay to Amazon, many different kinds of colors and styles. We're going to go ahead and start with the center cap. We're going to start from the keyhole hook going towards the bottom. I found that in the middle you might have to do a little bit of extra squeezing in towards there in the middle. As you can see there, I'm squishing towards the groove and pushing the cap in so it could expand through the bottom. We're going to go ahead and push in and hear that click on top of the key fob. We're going to move to the other side and follow the same steps, keeping in mind the middle has an extra groove. It might be a little bit trickier, but once you have one side in, the other one should fall in a lot easier. Confirm fitment in the front and in the back, and now we're ready to put in the sides. Simply align the sides and squeeze in till you hear all tabs have fastened and clicked in. We're going to go ahead and do the same on the other side, identifying everything is good to go. Going to go ahead and clip that in, hearing all tabs click in. We're going to go ahead and do a 360 and confirm alignment and fitment throughout the whole key fob. And we are good to go.